Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cloud storage with Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive on your web browser. In the top right corner, look for the gear icon and click on it. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, locate Manage Apps. Scroll down to see your storage usage. Identify any apps that may be taking up space. If you find apps you no longer need, you can remove them. To free up space, return to your main Google Drive interface. Click on the My Drive tab. Select files or folders you want to delete. Right-click and choose the Remove option. Remember, deleted items go to the trash. To permanently free up space, go to the trash. Select items in trash and click Delete Forever. Alternatively, consider upgrading your storage. Return to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon again. Select Upgrade Storage. This will take you to the Google One page. Review the available plans for additional storage. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Complete the process to increase your cloud storage. You can now enjoy additional storage space on Google Drive. Regularly manage your files to optimize your storage usage. Consider using cloud storage for large files to save space. This will help you maintain an organized and efficient Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.